Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix your hard drive issue on PS4. So if you're having issue with the hard drive on PS4, then what you'll need to do is follow these simple steps. So there are different reasons why the issue occurs. So if you encounter PS4 external hard drive not showing up or recognize the issue from a very beginning and you've never made it work, before you try any technical method, you can do the following self-examination to troubleshoot PS4 external hard drive no working issue by yourself. First thing, you need to make sure your PS4 external hard drive have a wire connections. So PS4 does not support any wireless external hard drive, so you have to make sure that the external hard drive wired to your PS4. So in simple word, it means you have to make sure that the external driver is directly connected to your PS4 through a USB port. You can also connect the external hard drive through another USB port of your USB 4. So it is possible that a certain USB port of your PS4 is malfunctioning and the hard drive might not work properly with another port. So make sure that the external hard drive is compatible with PS4 platform as well. Apart from it, you also need to make sure you have connected only one external storage device for your PS4. Following the steps fixes your problem. You'll be able to use your PS4. Other thing, what you can do is you can just go ahead and exclude hard drive errors. So what you can do is if the external hard drive is damaged, it cannot be recognized by the PS4 definitely. So in order to do that procedure, what you can do is you can connect to a computer and then you'll get a message prompting your device is ready to use. If you don't receive the message, you can also find the disk drive listed in the disk management to exclude any potential hard drive errors. In the case, use some hard drive repair solution as well. Once again, you're still unable to fix it, then you can try updating your PS4 system. So if the external hard drive is not defected and can be recognized by other PS4 devices and computer, perhaps the problem has something to do with your PS4 itself. So you can try updating the system software to fix PS4 external hard drive not showing up issue. So for that, all you have to do is make sure that your PS4 is connected to the internet and go to the home screen. After that, go to PS4 settings and choose system software. Once you select system software, if any updates are detected, click the next button, then select update to download the available update. After that, select download to install the update. You have to download it. After updating your PS4 system software, you can connect the external hard drive and check if it works or not. You're still unable to fix it, then you can simply restart your PS4 and you can also rebuild the PS4 database. So in order to do that, what you'll have to do is you need to press the power on button to turn off your PS4. Once the PS4 is turned off, press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. After that, you have to connect the PS4 controller to console with the cable and press the PS button. This will open the PS4 safe mode. After that, select rebuild database open option and then press the X button to confirm the operation. After you've done that, you need to wait patiently until the process is completed. When your PS4 completes the process and restart, you can connect the external hard drive and check if it works properly or not. If nothing seems to be working out, then it means you have to connect to a professional help. So that's basically how you can fix your hard drive issue on PS4. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.